Carrots are one of the most popular vegetables in the world, and for good reason. They can be added to many different recipes, added to smoothies, or simply eaten raw. Not only are they easily added to most diets, but they are also very nutritious and offer unique health benefits due to their unique health-promoting compounds and antioxidants. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming carrots regularly. First, carrots are rich in many different types of vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients. They are very high in vitamin A, along with vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, manganese, and vitamin B6. Carrots are also a great source of dietary fiber, contain potent antioxidant compounds, and even offer antibacterial properties while being quite low in calories. If you are looking to improve your overall digestion, carrots can certainly help in this regard. As mentioned previously, carrots are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is very important for digestive health. Consuming carrots can help to add bulk, which has the benefit of helping food pass through the digestive tract more smoothly and efficiently. They can also help to relieve symptoms associated with digestive health, such as constipation. Carrots can also help to boost our overall immunity and even work to prevent common cold and flu symptoms. Carrots have tremendous antibacterial and antiseptic abilities, which can help to boost our overall immunity and prevent certain diseases. They are also high in free radical reducing antioxidant compounds such as vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin C specifically works to stimulate white blood cell activity, which helps to keep our immune system strong and healthy. Carrots are also very beneficial for the overall health of our heart and reducing the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Studies have shown that when consumed regularly, carrots can help to lower cholesterol levels. Also, carrots can help to lower blood pressure. This is often attributed to the good levels of potassium and other important nutrients they contain. These nutrients promote the overall health of our blood vessels, which also increases circulation and blood flow. Lastly, consuming carrots regularly can help to promote the overall health of our eyes. This is often attributed to the high amounts of vitamin A found in carrots, as well as the high amounts of antioxidants and organic compounds found within them. Carrots can help to reduce the risk of macular degeneration, as well as improve eye health as we get older. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.